What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are returning, and welcome to the new viewers, new subscribers. I hope you guys are good wherever you are. So today I'll be showing you guys how I'll be taking catalog photos, catalog pictures for my online business. Anyways guys, so I bought these sunglasses off of Alibaba, and I'll be showing you guys how I'll be taking catalog photos of these. And yeah, big shout out to my girlfriend for helping me out with the shoot. She was actually my model for the product. One thing I almost forgot to mention, so I'll be using this light diffusion box to take my catalog pictures. I got this last year from Take a Lot. Yeah, I'll just link the link in the description for you guys if you're interested in buying this. So this comes with 4 colored backdrops. So they have black, blue, red, and white, right? So I'll be using the white backdrop for today. But one thing I realized is that this backdrop right here is very wrinkled. So just to make my job a little bit easier when I'm editing later, I'll just be using a baking sheet on top of this backdrop, just so that I have a cleaner look. Okay, cool. So the reason I'm using a white backdrop is because I want to show the color of the lens as well. If I were to go with the darker backdrop, it would be hard to portray all the colors, including the color of the lens. Yeah guys, so without wasting any time, let's just dive straight into it. Okay guys, so my very first attempt at shooting this catalog was a big fail because I didn't really know what I was doing exactly. So yeah, I'll show you now. One of the biggest mistakes I made was not using a tripod stand. So as you can see on the video, I'm just shooting everything freehand, and the issue with that is that I will not have, or had I gone that way, I wouldn't have been able to have a consistent look across my catalog. And the second issue is, as you can see, the item is literally flat and I'm struggling to get a direct shot of the item. So what I've done to fix that, as you can see now on this next video, is I elevated the surface so that I could have like a direct shot that I could get from the tripod without having to move anything for all the shots that I needed. Okay, so the next thing that I did was take pictures of the model, and in this case I was just using direct sunlight. I didn't have any lighting. Yeah, so like I'll show you guys a bit later what I did to make these pictures look much better. I actually use Photoshop. I'll show you guys just now. Okay guys, so we are done taking pictures, and I'm just gonna jump on my laptop, open Photoshop, and yeah, try and edit these pictures, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Yeah, I've actually never used Photoshop before, so I think I'm gonna watch a YouTube video quickly just to see how I can make these pictures better, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Yeah? Okay, we are now on Photoshop. I'm really sorry for the bad video quality, guys. I really don't know what happened here. So yeah, I'm just gonna link the video that I watched to accomplish this right here. So the first thing I did was to just mask the photo and just get rid of all the background, and then replace that with the white background. Yeah guys, if you are interested in knowing how this is done, please go check out that video. And then I just resized the photo, and then made sure that it's like really nice and small. And then I went on to edit the model's photo. Pretty much did the same thing. I just took out the background, but the only issue I had with this was that there were these small white spaces that were left out that weren't masked properly, so I just had to get rid of those small spaces. And then once I was done with that, I was pretty much done, and then I just literally replaced that white background with a bit of color. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you made it this far. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll be posting a part 3 of this series, that being me showing you guys the final look of the website, because I'm just going to start with the website design. I just finished doing some back-end work just so that everything works fine. And thank you so much. Catch you guys on the next one.